going on, guys? It's Raj here, and today we're going to be unboxing the brand new Apple Watch Ultra 3. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take it out, shall we? Got the version here that is in black with the titanium Milanese loop. And of course, we're greeted with our usual things here. So we've got, of course, our little booklet here, just kind of going through all of the different things. Honestly, it hasn't changed, it seems like, that much in terms of the booklet. It is pretty much the exact same. It's just a little quick start little booklet. And then here we have a brand new style and brand new box art. Looks very, very nice. And then, of course, we have our Milanese loop there. But we are here for the main event, because you guys already know what the Milanese loop looks like based on my last video I made of the Ultra 2 in black. So let's go ahead and get this guy open. There she is, the beautiful new Apple Watch Ultra 3. And then, of course, we get our usual charger here in the box. I'm not going to be using that, at least for now. Okay, and then we will start it up here. Beautiful. While we're waiting for that, I'll also show you guys the Milanese loop again, of course. As far as changes go, honestly, I don't believe this band has actually changed. In fact, I think it's the exact same. Yep, looks like it's the exact same. But anyways, that's going to do it for this unboxing, guys. So if you guys enjoyed, please be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.